Okay. Okay. Good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
No. So, our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Okay. My name is Helen Grace Tagson, at 39 years old. I live in Barangay Buglasan, City, Negros Oriental. I have three kids, ages 12, 11, and 3 years old. I have a living partner.
Okay, so when is your birthday?
My birthday is on June 10, 1984.
Your height and your weight?
My height is 5'2" and my weight is 52.
Okay, what about your religion?
My religion is Roman Catholic.
What about your educational background?
I am college level.
College level. Okay, you mentioned that you have three children, right?
Yes.
So who will going to take care of your kids once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My mom,
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
um, housekeeper. She is a housekeeper and she is a 58 years old.
Okay, what about your live-in partner? What is his occupation and how old is he?
He is a 37 years old and he is working in Cebu as a taxi driver.
Okay, so can you eat your pride, Helen?
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Can you eat your pride? Are you a prideful person?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so better if you cannot eat your pride, better don't go abroad, okay? Are you the one that always complaining?
Sorry, ma'am.
Are you a type of person that always complain?
No, ma'am.
No, because if you always if you feel like you always complaining, then better don't go abroad, right? Because this is not our country. It's Malaysia. It is quite different from the Philippines. In Philippines, you are the boss. In Philippines, we can do anything we want, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So, are you strong enough to fight your homesickness? Because I can see in your biodata that you've been stuck in the Philippines for quite many years, right? Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So, how are you gonna fight your homesickness later once it strikes you?
Uh, I will make myself busy to do my housework.
Okay. So, Helen, are you really sure that you wanted to go and come and work here in abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, because if you are unsure, better don't go abroad again, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
We want someone that who is really willing to come and work here and very hardworking. The one that they always think about their family's needs, not their own self only. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so in your by data, it was stated that you have a working experience in Lebanon way back 2013 to 2015 and you finished your contract for 2 years, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
What are your responsibilities to your previous employment in Lebanon?
I do all the housework.
Okay.
Um, I was serving four members, a husband and wife, and two daughters. The daughter's age is 13 years old and 9 years old. I do ironing, laundry. I do cooking also, and I do preparing their food before going to school. I do preparing things before going
Okay, so what happened? Why you didn't continue working to this employer?
because I finished my contract already, ma'am.
So what happened? Why you didn't renew your contract? Why you
Because I want
decided,
to
sorry?
because I wanted to go to Malaysia also.
Oh, but you stuck in Philippines for after you work in Lebanon is 2015, right? So it is already 9 years that you stuck in the Philippines. 2016 until present, you are already a full-time mom, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Helen, as I have mentioned a while ago, you need to be flexible. You need to be multitasking. You need to expect those unexpected things because you might don't know. You might experience those that you didn't experience in Philippines, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So you need to adjust yourself because it is a new environment, new job, new people, new foods. Don't let your employer adjust yourself. You are the one who need to adjust, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you prepared for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
You do. So are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What type of cuisine you can prepare?
Filipino food and a little bit of Arabic food.
Okay, Arabic foods. Are you okay to take care pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So,
Okay.
how many years you need to finish your contract?
2 years.
Okay, what will happen if you will break your contract?
I will pay the employer and the agency.
Yes, so you have a consequences which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency. Nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia and you are the one who decided, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in usage of mobile handphone, you cannot hold your phone also for the whole day because you are working. But rather than
Yes.
you can hold it during nighttime only like 2 to 3 hours to contact your family back in the Philippines. After that, you will render your phone to your employer. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so on your rest day also, you have a once a week rest day, but you will going to stay inside the employer's house and you cannot go out. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Very sure, ma'am.
Okay, I just wanted to make it clarify from you guys because we don't force people here. If you agree with the rules and regulations, the terms and conditions of the employer is okay. You can come in Malaysia, you can work here. But if you don't agree or you are hesitating to accept the rules and regulations or you disagree our rules and regulations, better don't come here, okay? Because we don't force people also. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Helen Grace. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because agents here in Malaysia will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Have a good day.